Today we are going to source, we are going to find profitable online arbitrage products super fast with Arbitrage Stalker. So 2 days ago I released the video, I sourced with the tool a little bit, I showed you how it worked. If you do not know what Arbitrage Stalker is, it's a software that I developed to help you be more efficient when doing storefront stalking. The way it works is you add some sellers into the tool and it will start tracking their storefront. When it tracks their storefront, you will receive a notification whenever they add a new product to their storefront, and whenever a product is replenished, and based on the settings that you set, watch the other videos so you'll understand, you'll be able to find replans. Okay, that's the V1 of the replans. The V2 of the replan catcher is coming pretty soon and it's going to be great. You will get a sneak peek pretty soon. So we're not going to log into the web app, we are just going to use the Discord bot, and we are going to go back to the and let me just introduce myself actually. Excuse me for not being polite enough. My name is Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube to help you with your Amazon business. Okay, do I do this for free? Yes and no. I do this for free because if you start selling on Amazon, you start being good, you will get my software. All right, and the more you sell, the more profitable you get, the longer you'll stay with the software. I also do coaching, but you can learn a ton of shit for free right here on this YouTube channel. All right, so let's go into, so this is our Discord server if you want to join. Okay, if you want to join, if you want to reach out to me, it's one of the easiest way to do it. All right, we're going to go to the demo server. All right, and we are going to look at a couple of products. Let me just, yeah, perfect. So since last time, and it's not even the right software, the right server. Here we go. So since last time, since September 16 is the last time we actually check. We have a few more leads starting from this L'Oreal product. All right, we have a few more leads in the replans, and we are going to look at them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. Okay, we have a ton of leads, we have a ton of potential replans. And you know what? We're gonna look at the most recent one. So this Sarah V, let's just look at this one. I haven't even looked at it. I did not even know if there were going to be new products that were caught by this. And I will need to log in on my VPN because I'm overseas right now. As you can see, I'm not in Miami. So let me just log in on my VPN. I'll be back because if not, I'm going to get results from Europe. Oh, and by the way, while the VPN is loading, we are almost 3 minutes deep in the video, so I can get to this. All the people that are not serious have left the video. You guys know I got married Saturday and I had a gift for you because of that. I told you that I had 5 keys that I was going to give for free for 1 month. 4 of these keys would be for 1 month, 1 free month on Arbitrage Stalker. One of them is going to be for a free lifetime plan. All right? So today's key is going to be for a 3 months of Arbitrage Stalker of the Pro plan. All right? If you want to get it, quite simple. Come to arbitragestalker.com. Get this plan. You can the key works with this plan and this plan. Okay, get this plan and enter the key that you are going to see. Yeah, we're 3 minutes 30 deep. I can show you the key. Here's the key. Use that key. All right, you get a 3 months on me. It's my gift for my wedding. You guys did not even give me any gift. I got a gift for you. You need to reevaluate your life. All right, you get a 3 months right there of the Pro plan. All right, so yeah, try it. Stick with it if you like it. You will like the tool. It's going to help you a lot with sourcing. So yeah, the key is there. I think I left it for long enough, you know. And the video will premiere. So if you see the video when it premieres, yeah, I mean, you have the free codes right there for you. You know, and I don't know when the next one is going to come because 3 days in a row I give you keys. I give you keys 3 days in a row. I don't know if I'm going to give the next key tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see because I cannot do 4 days in a row. But you never know. You never know. So yeah. But let's get back. My VPN should have loaded up. So let's get back to this lead. All right. Let me get back to Discord. Here we go, and let's open up Google to find this product, right? So we need to find it. I know that Walmart had great deals on this product before. We need to get it. We can sell it at Okay, so Amazon is not on the listing. They used to be on the listing, and now they're struggling to stay on the listing. I would assume that, let's look at the data, the offers. There's nobody on the listing as of today. What I don't like is the, no, but bargain chain is fine. Let's just reload the page. Let's just reload the page, because it looks like we actually have some options. All right, it looks like we actually have some options at 11 something. Let's look at this. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the data tab, to the offer tab, to see the most recent offers, if they were selling at a price that was interesting. But first of all, we need to see if we can find this product on Walgreens. This product, it's not the same one, right? It's not the same, but you know what? Let me just do this, and let me just go to it's buy one get one 50% off. All right. So, and we have an extra 15%. So if I do next, if I go back, yeah, it's probably out of stock already. It's probably oh, here we go. Here we go. So we have it at 18. All right. It's the moisturizing cream, eczema, true essential serum. Yeah, it's this one. All right, let's look at it. We can do a pickup at 15%. Sometimes we can get 20% coupons at Walgreens. We may be able to make it work if we can sell it for a high enough price. So let's look at historical offers. And this guy was selling it at $17.99. All right, not too long ago. Prime deals. Who else? $15.99. Let's do this. Let's do this. Last seen, and we're going to look at people that were last seen. Oops. No, I don't want to go back. People that were last seen not too long ago. So $17.89 brand 44 days ago at $17.89. At $17.89, we need to get it at $7.01. Okay, it's going to be a little bit tricky. However, with the 25% welcome coupon, we might be able to make it work. So let's just look. By the way, you can use this spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is available for free in the description. So if you want to get it, it's my product calculation spreadsheet. This is what I use all the time. And you also have a BOGO calculator. So it's buy one, get one. Okay, buy one, get one 50%. So it's 25%. But like, just so you know, you can calculate it this way. All right. So the first coupon is 25%. The second coupon is 25%. So we have a 44% off on the product. All right. So let me go back here and let's enter 44% coupon. Here we go. What does the cashback looks like right here? So we have 2%. We have 4.04%. 4.04% cashback. We have 2% with the credit card. 4.04 right there. No gift card. Well, we can actually find some gift cards, but they're going to be physical gift cards, so it's not on the same desk. But let's check. Let's see. We can actually get 9.6% off with card cash. Let me look at them. They are probably physical cards. So you will not be able to get them same day. Yeah, it's physical cards, but we can get 9.6% off. So let's see. And it's literally the first product that we check, all right? And we do get it at $18.99. So let's check. $18.99. We get it at $9.65. Okay? $9.65. It's not going to be profitable. It's not going to be profitable. All right. It's not profitable. However, if we can sell it at what price would we need to be able to sell it to make it profitable, to make it decent enough for us? Let me check. It would need to be at $19.99. Yeah, probably we're going to skip this. We're going to skip this. It's not going to be profitable. All right. Let's move to the next one. So we have Queen gluten-free stuff. Let's look at this. And let's look at this. All right. Okay, so we can get this from Viticus. We can get this from Walmart at 129. Okay, so that might be interesting. 129, we have a 4-pack, 129 times 4. I'm saying this is going to be the second product that we check. So we can get it at, yeah, and I think it's not loading up because I'm on the VPN. So this is the thing that is tricky when you're overseas and you're working with a VPN. 129, what size is 7 Us? All right, let's see if it's the same. 7 Us, okay, so 129 times 4. Here we go, 516, 171% return on investments. Looks like it's actually selling kind of fast. Is it actually selling? Is it actually selling? Let's look at the offers. It is selling, maybe not super fast, but it is definitely selling. Let's look at the buy box statistics. Okay, it's okay. So the brand is there, but still, does this look like? Does not really look like an IP. But it is selling. It is selling. So the brand is there. That's one thing to be worried to be worried about. To be not to be worried about, but to pay attention to, right? So let's just look at the variation. Let's look at the 4-pack, and it's selling 100 units a month. This is the 4-pack, right? Yeah, it's the 4-pack. It's selling 100 units a month, the pack of 4. Some issues with the reviews right there, but it is selling. 100% it is selling 100 plus times a month. So here we go, profitable products. Is the price going to tank? I don't know. Are they going to issue IP complaints? I don't know. It's clear on IP alerts, okay? The brand is on the listing, but it does not look like they are issuing IP complaints. So in my books, you know, we checked 2 products, literally. That's the same, and it's, once again, it's the exact same monitor, the replan monitor that we checked. So this product was replanned by this seller, okay? It's the same monitor that we checked a couple of days ago, and I showed you. If you watch the video that I released the other day, it's the same monitor that we actually checked, okay? We checked this monitor a couple of days ago, and you see, if you use a tool like Arbitrage Stalker, not a tool like Arbitrage Stalker, because Arbitrage Stalker is the only one where the price is reasonable and that actually works and where you can actually get support. All right, so yeah, just get Arbitrage Stalker. Here we go. You have a 3 months right there. Just one user, okay, just for one customer, not everybody. So yeah. I mean, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. It's a no-brainer. Get Arbitrage Stalker. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.